No, yeah, so this is just one of my amp flies, but I want to show you Rat Dog's flies. He sent me these, really, I think over Christmas, but I lost them, if you remember. Yes, these are flies. Get that, right? He sent them to me in a nice little bag. So let's take a look at some of them. So this is quite malleable, and that will add weight to the fly if you need to add some. So that's actually a pretty good idea. I never would have thought to use soldering wire, right, for flies. He just takes these soft plastics, okay, see, there we go, and just uses them and just super glues these soft plastics directly onto the hook. Now check that out, man. Check that out. You know full well that is going to be kicking out a ton of vibration in the water, and you have that. This is the perfect color for my waters, and you have a ton of glitter in that. Fellas, that'll catch fish. That'll be a nice little crappie jig. All right, let's take a look at another one. Just these are flies. Yes, there's no reason you can't use soft plastics on a fly rod, you know. Look at that. Does this not look like my black soldier flies or my maggots that I use? That's exactly what it does. I like that there. I mean, this will definitely catch bluegill. And I've thought about bringing some of these little mini flies, mini lures, mini thingies in, some little mini jigs in, tie up. I mean, could you just imagine that with a little bit of hair on it, just a little bit of hair on it like that, just kind of superimpose. Yeah, I may have to see if I can't find a supplier in China that I can import. Now this one definitely much more closely mimics my my little maggots that I use. I mean, you know, those curly tail jigs, you know, you've seen curly tail jigs, they'll spread out like this, and that'll just be fluttering in the water. Lots of motion, and he just secures them with super glue. You know, I'm a big proponent of super glue. All right, look at that. Look at that. Okay, does this not look like my maggots, that my black soldier fly maggot larva? Okay, just check that out, you know. Black soldier fly maggots right there on a soft plastic lure, and it'll cast on the fly rod really well. That'll cast very well. Let's see, get one of the, now this one. Now I have always been surprised, and this one got stuck here. Okay, I've always been surprised at how well the color white works in my waters, because it's just really highly visible and things. Once again, another curly tail jig, right? Just super glued on. Oh man, oh this one's nice. I like this one. I like this one. Look at that bad boy. This looks like something from SpongeBob, doesn't it? Look at that triple tail. You think that's not going to send out vibration in the water and trigger strikes? Soft plastics catch bait. Anybody who's ever been bass fishing knows. I mean, you kind of get started with that. And he just, again, securing them with just some super glue on the hook, and it works. And so I'm happy I found them. They had fallen on the other side of the bed. What happened? And I cleaned it up and found them. And there you go. Rat Dog's flies. Amazing. What do you guys think about that? You know, comment down. Comment down in the below in the comments on if any of you ever used flies for, I mean, soft plastics in your fly fishing. I could definitely see this replacing essentially all of that back there. Just replace all of that with that soft plastic and keep that round hackle there, and that could be a good try to get in focus there. That could be a very nice For now, it's still raining like crazy, and I guess we'll just have to see maybe March until we can get out. But thanks, and I'll check you guys later. See ya.